So tonight I'll be talking to you about Barack Obama for our ceremonial speech. This presentation was put together by Tristan, Priscilla, Serena, Jacqueline, and Valeria. Barack Obama served as our 44th President of the United States. He was the first African American president. In this presentation, we will present Obama's early life, his failures, his accomplishments, and how all of that led him to become the person he is today, and how his life has impacted the life of every American. Here we have some pictures of President Obama before he was president, during his presidency, and a picture of his family, his wife, Michelle Obama, and his two beautiful daughters. So for our presentation, we decided to do a timeline. We're going to begin with Obama's education. He was born in August 4th, 1961 in Honolulu, Hawaii. From 1971 to 1979, he attended school in Hawaii for 5th grade through high school. He lived mostly with his grandparents. From there, he attended college in Los Angeles for 2 years in 1979 and 1980. In 1981, he transferred to Columbia University. He received a bachelor in political science from Columbia University in 1983. He later enrolled in Harvard Law School in 1988, from which he graduated from in 1991. In 1993, he began to lecture at the University of Chicago Law. Here we have some more pictures of Barack Obama. One of these pictures is actually his student ID from when he went to Columbia University. So, during his presidency, Barack Obama was inaugurated in 2009 as our 44th president. He belonged to the Democratic Party. He was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize. In 2010, he announced $900 million worth of grants that would be given to underperforming schools. On March 9, 2012, President Obama announced his support for gay marriage. In November 2012, Obama was re-elected for his second term as president. Later, in 2015, the Supreme Court ruled 5-4 that Constitution guarantees a right to same-sex marriage. In 2017, in January, Obama concluded his last day in office. These are just a few of the accomplishments that he had during his presidency. Here we have more pictures of Obama during his presidency, some of which he's with his wife, another one receiving an award, another walking with citizens, and even in 2017, a picture with our current president, Donald Trump. So after concluding his years of presidency in 2017, he took some time off to spend with his family. He came back in October, and he returned back to his roots and made an appearance to encourage students at the University of Chicago to do their own crack at changing the world. In May, Barack Obama and his wife unveiled the plans for the Obama Presidential Center. He has pledged to be active in the issue of redistricting. So even though he's no longer our president, he still continues to be a large voice for many citizens of the U.S. He is a wonderful person and still wants nothing but the best and believes that a change can't be made during one presidency. Obama even stated that true democracy is a project that's much bigger than any one of us. It's bigger than any one person, any one president, and any one government. It's a job for all of us. So, That being said, even though he's not president, that doesn't mean that he's going to not do anything for the people and for himself. Here we have a video of Barack Obama during the last minutes of being president.
My fellow Americans, it has been the honor of my life to serve you. I won't stop. In fact, I will be right there with you as a citizen for all my remaining days. But for now, whether you are young or whether you're young at heart, I do have one final ask of you as your president. The same thing I asked when you took a chance on me 8 years ago. I'm asking you to believe, not in my ability to bring about change, but in yours. I'm asking you to hold fast to that faith written into our founding documents, that idea whispered by slaves and abolitionists, that spirit sung by immigrants and homesteaders and those who marched for justice, that creed reaffirmed by those who planted flags from foreign battlefields to the surface of the moon, a creed at the core of every American whose story is not yet written. Yes, we can. Yes, we did. Yes, we can. Thank you. God bless you. May God continue to bless the United States of America. Thank you.
So that video was the perfect representation of what kind of president Obama was. He was a almost perfect speaker, and his words, you can just hear the reaction everyone has. They love what he's saying. They love how he's presenting it. His words just have so much power. That was one of the main reasons we used him for our ceremonial speech. He just has a wonderful way with words. So in conclusion, Barack Obama tried his hardest to become the man he is today, and he has inspired thousands of people. He accomplished many things that will go down in history and be remembered forever. His presidency was a huge success in the eyes of many, and he still has so much more in store for his family and the United States in general. He hopes to still make an impact on the lives of many Americans. This was our presentation on Barack Obama. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.